Have you ever considered that a simple cup of tea might be the secret weapon you need to kick off your day with a burst of energy? Not joking. Throughout history, ginger tea has held a prominent place in traditional medicine. Its distinctive flavor and remarkable array of health benefits have made it a staple beverage enjoyed throughout the ages. Prepare yourself, as we will be delving into the 10 great reasons ginger tea needs to be a mainstay of your daily regimen. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and like to see more videos just like this. First reason, goodbye to aches and pains. A fantastic natural anti-inflammatory, ginger is a superb alternative for relieving those annoying joints and nasty headaches. Think of it as a free from negative side effects, natural cure for pain. Second reason, stomach relief. One digestive powerhouse that really shines is ginger. It may relieve indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Wave goodbye to those bothersome stomach problems and welcome the delight of a good digestion. Third reason, immunity champion. Ginger tea may provide your immune system with a great boost, therefore aiding your attempts to fight flu and colds. It's like a comfortable, reassuring shield against those annoying pests. Fourth reason, an energy booster. Ginger tea provides a delicious and energizing boost to enable you to flourish all through your daily life. Wave goodbye to that afternoon slump and welcome a sensation of vigor and brightness. Fifth reason, bid farewell to nausea. One great cure for motion sickness, morning sickness, or nausea brought on by medicine is ginger tea, which helps calm your stomach. It's a great approach to start feeling better. Reason 6, soothe those cramps. Hey girls, ginger tea has the potential to bring relief from menstrual cramps and discomfort. Discovering comfort at that period of the month is much enhanced by this amazing and calming approach. Argument 7, blood sugar champion. For people with diabetes or hoping to avoid it, ginger offers great news as it may help control blood sugar levels. Eighth reason, advocate for heart health. Studies point to ginger's ability to decrease cholesterol and blood pressure, therefore strengthening a healthy heart. Reason 9, a brain power burst. Ginger may improve brain performance and protect against cognitive deterioration. Stay sharp and focused with this incredible brew. So there you have it. 10 steaming reasons why ginger tea should be your new best friend. Now go forth and get your ginger on. And don't forget to spill the tea in the comments below. Tell us your favorite way to enjoy this amazing brew.